A story you'll see only on 12. A Washington woman's brush with death from COVID-19 and how a drug identified in a recent clinical trial helped her recover. Fox 12's Simon Gutierrez is live in Northeast Portland with the woman's story told through the eyes of her mother, who also got sick. Simon.
Yeah, she says her daughter was the sickest of all. It was a scary time, she says. Her daughter, who has special needs, she's grateful to have her back home.
Michelle Dill says she and her husband, Mark, started feeling symptoms of COVID-19 around the 25th of March.
I couldn't breathe very well. Like taking deep breaths, it was difficult, and I started getting scared.
She says her husband tested positive for COVID-19. He needed help breathing from a CPAP machine. She continued to have trouble breathing also, along with crippling fevers.
It was really scary. There were moments that I thought that I was going to die.
But she was the most concerned about her daughter with Down syndrome, Maria.
I was very scared for her because I was not able to get up.
Then on April 5th, she says her daughter went to the bathroom and didn't come back out. So she forced herself to go downstairs.
It was so difficult to come down. I had to stop in the middle of the stairs and sit down.
She heard Maria crying in the bathroom.
I opened the door and she was laying down on the floor. Her lips were purple. I started freaking out.
She eventually called 911 and a special COVID unit rushed Maria to the hospital. Dill says doctors communicated with her over the phone because she wasn't allowed to go with her daughter. She learned Maria was put on oxygen and wasn't responding to the drug hydroxychloroquine and was transferred to the ICU. Then she got another phone call from the doctor.
And she was so excited because they were just approving a new trial, and that my daughter was the perfect candidate to be part of that trial.
The drug Remdesivir, the focus of a global clinical trial that started in late February, was originally developed to treat Ebola.
So this is a drug similar to like an antibiotic that we would give for a bacterial infection. This is an antiviral. Like, for example, Tamiflu or oseltamivir that is given for influenza.
It worked perfectly for her. That took her out like less than 24 hours. She started improving.
In 3 days, Maria was out of the ICU, and 5 days after that, she was back home.
How thankful are you that you were able to get access to this medicine for your daughter?
You have no idea how thankful I am. I'm glad that this worked, and hopefully it's going to help more people.
The entire family has since recovered and is feeling much better. As for the drug Remdesivir, the company that manufactures it is currently in talks with other chemical and pharmaceutical companies about potentially mass producing it in order to make it more widely available. Reporting live in Northeast Portland, Simon Gutierrez, Fox 12 Oregon.